Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check for stalkers on Facebook. So first of all, check the friend request. If you receive multiple friend requests from people you don't know, especially with no mutual friends, they could be trying to stalk your profile. Secondly, review your profile interactions. If you switch your profile to professional mode, you're gonna be able to see your profile interaction. Look at who consistently likes, comments, or shares your posts. If someone is overly engaged without being an actual friend, it might be suspicious. And check the story views. Check who views your Facebook story. If someone who isn't a close friend or has limited interaction with you frequently views your stories, they might be keeping tabs on you. And then go to the search history or Facebook search history. You're gonna scroll up right here, you're gonna see it, and you can check your search history to see if you've looked up someone a lot recently. Sometimes stalkers search for you often as well, which might leave traces if they interact with your posts. And then if someone is making you uncomfortable, block them or report their profile to Facebook. Always stay vigilant and protect your privacy on social media. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.